Kia ora koutou ne te wira, ko masa te kura. Poki wapi no reira, haira haira maira, haira maira, haira haira, haira haira haira.
No mai hoki mai anō, welcome back. So yesterday we looked at our two first phrases and our basic introduction of ourselves in Māori. Tēnā koutou katoa, greetings to you three or more people, and ko and then your name, tōku ingoa, so I would say ko Kelly tōku ingoa, my name is Kelly. Our third phrase for today that we're looking at is no Aotearoa aho.
Tēnā koutou katoa ko Zig tōku ingoa no Aotearoa aho.
Okay, now it's your turn. Let's read the Māori sentence together. No Aotearoa aho. No Aotearoa aho. I am from New Zealand. So you may be saying, well, I'm not actually from Aotearoa. So here's what you can do. You can take out Aotearoa, go to www.maoridictionary.co.nz and place the country where you come from in the search engine, and it should bring up a transliteration for you, and you can place it in here. So let's say you're from England, you've gone to the dictionary and you've found one of the names for England in Māori, Ingarangi. So you would take out Aotearoa, replace it with Ingarangi, no Ingarangi aho. I am from England. Another question you might have is why aho and not o? They're both they mean the same thing. Aho and o mean I or me. So they are both singular first person pronouns. The difference between the two is usually speaker's choice. However, there is a derivation from o, so there are prepositions in Māori. These are two examples of prepositions in Māori. And after a preposition, if you have a name or a pronoun, you need to have the personal pronoun marker a before it. So for example, if I were to use the pronoun o, I would say ia o. And what's happened over time is that breath between the two has been captured in there. So if you use aho, you don't need that personal pronoun marker. If you use o, you do need it there. So, kia ora koutou. Don't forget to register at www.kupu.maori.nz and join us again tomorrow for your next phrase and your basic introduction of yourself for Māori Language Week. Mauri ora!